If you want to create your own mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the first thing that you can do is go to the settings. Then in the settings you need to find and go to modes and routines. And then over here, if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to find add modes at the bottom. And now here we can set up the name for our custom mode. So let's say we're gonna name it school. Then we can choose the color of the icon. You can also choose the color picker over here, where we have this swatches, or we can go to the spectrum and use a specific code. You can also use hex codes and RGB. Besides that, we can choose the icon itself. So let's say you're gonna choose this one, and then we can press done. Now over here, the new mode has been already created at this point, and we can manually turn it on and turn it off. However, we can also create a condition when this mode can be enabled automatically. If you want to do so, then over here we have turn on automatically. We can tap here in order to choose what should happen to enable this mode. So let's say you can choose app open. So when we open an app, then this mode will be also enabled. We can of course choose which app will be opened. We can also choose based on the Bluetooth device, the time itself. So we can choose when, at what point of the day and in which days of the week this mode will be automatically enabled. And then we can also choose based on the place. And then we can also add conditions. So let's say we're gonna choose, let's say time period as well. Well, we just did that twice. Okay, so we can remove that. So if there is nothing over here in suggested conditions that you wish to use, then you can choose add conditions in order to find something, something more specific. And then we can choose done. And now the automation has been enabled. But besides that, we can also choose what should happen when this mode is enabled. So we can choose stay focused option, and here we can, for instance, enable do not disturb. We can restrict app usage. Besides that, we can also choose other actions, like we can enable the dark mode, for instance, we can enable power saving option, and so on and so forth. So it's really up to you. And besides that, over here, of course, we have the suggested list, so we can go to add action in order to find even more options. And then we can press done. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!